Damit mo ba ito? Tapos? Lalagay ko. Three points! Sir CM! Okay, no good. Nakuha ni number 11. Number 11. Nag-reverse, no good. Nakuha ni Iron. At Sean. Sean, mukhang ide-diretso. Pinasa kay Christian. Christian, no good. Nakuha ni number 30. Number 30. 2 points by number 30. Score 2-5. Okay. No good. Pag dead ball, pasok ka. Arm up ka lang. Okay, Poblete. No good. Okay, number 30. Second try is good. Score all 5. Huwag pa kayong magtapakakampante dun sa number 30 na yun. Bumibitaw talaga ng dress. Okay, Sean, nag-ahas ng papasahan. Nakita si Poblete. 7 seconds to shoot. Okay, 2 points. Score 5-7. Nice! Number 10. No good. Okay, nakuha ni Sean. Sean, bukat ide-diretso. Sean. Okay, no good. Number 30. No good. Nakuha ni Poblete. Poblete to Sean to Christian. Christian. Mukhang ide-diretso. Christian, no good. Okay, nice deflection by Poblete. JM, naghihintay na kakampi. Nakita si Poblete. Poblete, no good. JM, munti ka na, lumuwa ka. Score 5-7. Number, no good. Nakuha ni Iron. Christian, dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Poblete, binalik kay Sean. Sean. Nakita si JF. JF. To Sean. 5 seconds to shoot. 1 second. And counted. Counted. Score 5-9. Buzzer beater. Okay, pinasa kay number 30. No good. Nakuha ni Iron. Ang lakas mo na yung rebound. JM. No good. Nakuha ni number 30. To number 19. To number 10. No good. Okay, nice hustle. Okay, good po yan, not good. No good. 5-19. Nice. 2 points by Iron. Score 5-11. Both teams may tatlong timeout. Okay, Christian. Christian, naiwan ng bantay. Ang ganda ng pasa. Shot, no good. Shoot na, lumuwa pa. number 10 to number 30. No good. Bad pass by Poblete. Number 30.
Ano mo, wala. Umuro ka dito. Tres ba yun? Basta. Umuro ka dito. Para naaabot mo doon ng camera. Hindi. Huwag mong iurong yung camera. Ikaw ang umuro. Ayan. Para namin.
3 points. 7-14. Nice pass. 2 points. Score 9-14. To JM. No good. Number 30. Lahat ng bola pumunta kay number 30. Pinasa kay number 10. Number 10. 2 points. Score 11-14. Christian, no good. Two points by Sean. 11-16. Oy, sayang, number 11 nakuha uli. Number 11 is to score 13-16. After po ng shoot mamaya, may substitution. Ayun, subuesa. Okay, Paul, wait lang. Pre, pasok ka na card. Christian. Pensa. Okay, game. JM, 12 seconds to shoot. To Carr. 7 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. JM. No good. Grabe ang rebound. Lumuwa na. Number 30, no good. Nice! Punti ka na. Pero nandiyan si Ayon to the rescue, pero no good. Last 2 minutes. Okay, 2 points. Pag-warm upin na lang natin, pagdating ng second half, pasok natin siya. Score 15-16. No good by shot. Bihira yung ganung tira na yun na. Grabe, nice hustle by Poblete. No good. Okay, tumira, nice. 2 points by number 10. Score 17-16, lamang na po ng isang team Meralco. Last 1 minute. JF, pinasa kay number 19, Carr. Poblete, binalik kay Borja. 7 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds to shoot. Carl Blanca. Okay, 2 points. Wait lang. Okay lang. Okay, game. 19-16. 33 seconds. Ang lakas mo talaga, Ayon! 19 seconds! 15 seconds. Last 12 seconds, number 30, 3 points. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. 4 seconds. 1.7 seconds. And okay, change court. Poblete, labas.
Sino, kaya pa o sino